Yes, I'm calling because there is a guy on Figueroa and Olympic. There is a guy with a machete on it and with training people, stopping the traffic, and he's training people to kill him. And he's in a black Mustang. I think it's a black Mustang, but I just have to get away. But he's screaming right now and training people to that.
Is he white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He looks like an Indian. But it's important that he parked his car in the middle of the street, and he has a machete.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
It's a gray. It's kind of a brown shirt.
Brown shorts and what color shirt?
Yeah, and he has short and he has some. Oh my God! Hold on. Well, he's moving now. He's moving now to the. Oh my God! I want to give you the license plate, but I'm afraid he might come to my car and hit me with the machete. He's right next to the. Street. Oh, hey, run! License plate is
Hi, I am on the cross streets of Olympic and Figueroa in the city of Los Angeles, and there is a man with a sword in the middle of the intersection, and he is screaming, and he looks dangerous, and he's swinging at cars.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's definitely brown. I don't know if he's Hispanic or Middle Eastern. He has like a head scarf, like covering his face and his head.
What color is it?
The scarf is blue.
You recall what color shirt?
I don't recall what color shirt. I got out of the area.
Okay. What about pants?
He's wearing cargo shorts, light colored cargo shorts. I don't recall the color. And he's parked in the middle of the intersection. It's a black, I believe it's a Charger.
Okay. So black
Dodge Charger.
And that's parked in the middle of the intersection?
Yes.
And he's swinging at just random passerbys?
Vehicles that are passing by. It's pretty empty, but the vehicles that are just trying to continue on through traffic, he's swinging at them.
Okay.
He's trying to get traffic to halt, and whoever's not stopping, he's like swinging at them.
Okay, so I have a call for Olympic and Figueroa. We'll go ahead and get somebody out there, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Thank you. No problem. Bye-bye.
Hi, can I get police to the intersection of Figueroa and Olympic? I have a individual with a blue top of his head. He's waving a machete in the middle of the street. He jumped out his car. He's running. Figueroa and Olympic.
Okay, and what is he doing?
He's waving a machete in the middle of the street, running towards cars.
Okay.
He jumped out of his vehicle, which is a black Mustang, a two-door GT Mustang.
Do you have a license plate?
I don't have a license plate because it's not one visible because I'm in the front of the vehicle.
Okay, we do have a call already there. Where is he now?
Okay. He's still in the intersection near the southwest corner in front of Fleming.
Okay. We do have officers on their way with lights and sirens, okay? Did he injure anybody?
No, he hasn't injured anybody yet. He's running towards people, and they would run away from him.
Okay. Well, we have the call. Officers are on their way already.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Central Unit City area suspect there now. Figueroa and Olympic. Suspect vehicle is a black Mustang. Suspect male unknown wearing brown short time with a machete. Code 3 incident 1639 RD 171.
officer off the backside of his car, armed with a machete. We're picking him back up. He's running, going down towards the classic light.
Hold on. Give me space, bro. Give me space. Give me space. Give me space.
Right there, left. Oh, fuck.
Stand by, stand
No,
by.
no, 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 no. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Stand by, stand by.
No, partner. Go up to him.
Stand by. Stand by, stand by, stand by. Get in, get in. Get in, bro. Get in, get in, get in, get in.
Go, 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 go.
Get in.
All right, we're good. Follow him because of the fucking pets, bro.
Stand by, stand by.
Follow him because of pets.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by, stand by, Mike. Stand by, Mike. Stand by, Mike. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Drop it! Stand by. Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Get in the car! Get in. Get in.
Fuck.
Stop!
Trunk is open.
Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop, bro! Fucking shoot yourself!
Officers.
Get in, get in! Hey, pursuit!
Alright, into the car now.
Pursuit.
Loading up his driver. And he's on the go southbound on Figueroa.
Me in pursuit. Figueroa, south of 11th. On that vehicle, it's going to be a black Charger. Stand by for the plate.
I will be secondary next to
29, it's going to be for an ADW on appeal.
41 with 30.
Hey, airship, take my air, please.
Stand by, Mike. Stand by. He's going around, he's going around.
My side, my side, my side, my side.
Stand by, stand by.
Just south of
Stand by, stand by.
We're good.
just north of Pico.
Stand by, stand by.
Alright, just trying to wrap another officer.
Stand by.
And what's the
Stand by, stand by, stand by. Stop! Stand by, crossfire, bro.
Crossfire,
Crossfire.
got it.
north of Pico?
Fuck!
Going to be on the go northbound.
You good?
Stand by, dude. Stand by. He's going to go around in circles. Stand by. Crossfire, bro.
Fuck!
Stop it, man. Stop it. Stand by, stand by.
Fuck!
Stop. Stop it.
Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Stand by. Crossfire, bro. Fuck! Get back! Stop it! Stand by, stand by!
And still U-turns in the middle of the street. Black and white coming southbound, guys. Slow it down. And just use caution. The guy's taking southbound out of his car again.
I'll be there arresting you.
Yeah.
Have a taser.
I got taser, I got taser.
Okay, all right. You guys ready to approach?
Ready to approach?
Moving forward.
Hey, don't move, bro. Yeah, don't move. Don't move.
Just make sure you guys clear that.
Can you guys pull them over, please?
We have a RA and not male, not martial, not working.
Put them to the side. Put them to the side.
After being taken into custody, the officers began to render medical aid to Singh until paramedics arrived.
Who has a med kit?
He's getting it. He's getting it.